Hello everyone. Today my dinner is pan-fried dumplings, so I decided to record the process and show you how to make them perfect at home. Alright, let's watch the video together and I will walk you through each step clear. First, turn on the electrical griddle to warm it up. Spray oil on it while it gets hot. If you don't have an electrical griddle, you can use a non-stick pan. Put your handle near to feel the heat, then put in the dumplings. Be careful, don't burn your hand. Those are frozen dumplings. You don't need to thaw them. Now, pour half a small bowl of water around the pan. The water only needs to be around 3 mm deep. Close the lid and wait for the water to dry. How do you know it's dry or not? Listen carefully. You will hear crackling sounds. Get another small bowl. Add some starch. Put the same amount of water in it and mix well. Wait until there is no more sound. Then pour it around the pan. When the sound stops, open the lid. Check if the dumpling skin becomes clear. One time of water is usually not enough. Pour water and spray oil again, then close the lid again. When the sound stops, open the lid. Spray a lot of oil on the dumplings, then close the lid again. Wait until the sound stops one more time. Now you can open the lid. Look, you have beautiful golden crispy ice flour dumplings. They are crispy outside and juicy inside. Very easy to make. If you make them at home, tell me in the comments. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.